your fault. You're like, okay, let's get back on the train, and then you stood in between the platform and the train.
I'm sure the next place we're gonna go to is gonna have an even cooler name than Sema.
No, that's not true. It's probably gonna be like Charles. I don't know. We used to be at Sema. I do not want milk inside bread.
No, I was just gonna order you to eat milky bread.
I'm gonna eat fruity boosty.
Why are you eating American snacks in Korea? I don't want to make a fool of myself, but I think just by existing, I'm making a fool of myself. So might as well go all the way, you know?
Vinny and I are not very spontaneous people in general. On like a adventurous excursion. We planned today to be spontaneous by having a plan that we were gonna get off at a random stop. And we chose like the best stop in the world. It's called Sema. There's so much nature. And we get off the train, and Vinny says, "Just kidding. We're gonna go to the next stop, which is it's a whole city."
Are you gonna thumb yourself?
No, that's what it looks like.
We made everyone else in the store leave because we were loud.
Yeah, because we were really loud, yelling about stuff.
I think it was just me and you were too kind to say stop being loud.
But,
I'm a kid.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Vinny is not here, so she can't be on camera right now.
Yeah.
This is what she got.
물과 커피는 소퍼입니다.
It means good chicken in
Yeah.
this house.
Yeah, I think the font is pretty, so that makes it a good one. But look at how pretty the font is.
That looks like a vape shop.
Zizi, can you get in front of it? Make a pose. It's just like this part.
We're going to
Suwon. Because we came here and it wasn't Sema, so we got bored. And so now instead of going to Sema, we're going to Suwon.
And we're not ever going to Sema.
We're going to Sema. I'm on the verge of a mental breakdown. Think about how cool Sema will be.
Sema is the cool. We're gonna record going.
We're gonna record going by Sema.
But we're not ever gonna go
Yeah.
there.
We're gonna tell you everything that we were gonna do. Control.
What?
I gave her depression.
It's okay.
Bruh.
Look at that.
Oh, that's like that?
Yeah,
Except
my couches are like this. Look.
you look so happy.
I'm not happy.
I kind of want to put like this on my varsity jacket.
You said cereal? Is that a video?
No, try right now.
Try. My eyes are watering. You see it? You see the water?
Maybe orange peeler.
Theoretically, in like 30 years, what are we gonna do in Sema? I'm not pregnant.
I'm gonna kill you.
Why?
Sema.
He actually chose like a cool place. Like, look outside. Look at this. There's like gardens.
I think this is where people live.
People live everywhere.
Look at those rice fields.
But look, there's a quarry. We could have looked at that. You know?
Let's go golfing, Zizi.
Why would we go golfing? It's a terrible idea.
Ew.
Look at this little garden. There's a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, we could have walked. We could have just been hiking.
Look at that building.
Whoa, this building's so tall.
My head's all fuzzy right now.
Walking in nature would have helped.
Probably.
Yeehaw! Oh my God, Zizi!
What?
Stop it!
Stop what?
Being dumb. I'm gonna kill you. Put it back. Put it back. Nice. What did we do?
I didn't get arrested for having a knife in Korea.
Oh, we didn't go to Sema.
We didn't walk in any nature. We didn't go to Seoul to coincidentally meet Vianne and Sophie. We didn't go to the beach to coincidentally meet everyone else.
I'm incomplete out of 12, but you're 12 out of 12. Except I like girls. Just want to have fun.
Yeah, I like girls too. This is not a very exciting answer.
Okay.
Are emos edgy? If you have an opinion on whether emo people are edgy or not, keep it to yourself.
What number are you?
181.
Are you purposely not smiling because I said you're too smiley to be all the way edgy? Let's get it. No, I like it. It's good.
We're playing music here now.
In my empty house, because I'm moving.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing now. I'm moving. I hate him.
Yeah, I hate it too.
So-
It's like for the memories of how much we hate each other.
Yeah.
That's why we didn't go to Sema. We're gonna go in 30 years for a trip reunion.